Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review slash unboxing with the Winston Box. This is probably like my 6th unboxing, or I don't know. I don't even know what number I'm at. But if you guys want to see what I got this month, then continue watching. Here is the lovely Winston Box. This is what it looks like. So what we got in today, the thing that I loved about this box this time is the wallet that came in here. How amazing is this? It's a little wallet. Carry, like, you know, a little bit of cash, your cards. In the back it says Modern Man-Made. I'm not sure if that's the brand. How amazing is that? And I'm not sure if the brand is Modern Man-Made, but that's what it says back there. And then it has the triple M's down in the bottom. You can put a little extra cash in there, and then your cards here. This wallet retails for $39.99. To be honest, guys, I'm not even sure if this is real leather. It doesn't really say it, because when it's real leather, it should say on it. So it doesn't really show me if it's real leather or not. It doesn't see it anywhere. Usually when it's real leather, it says it on the wallet or anywhere inside the wallet, but I don't know if it is. Just a little easy wallet just to carry around, you know, a couple cards, a little bit of cash, and out you go. So this is what I like about little wallets like that. The one that I have right now, it's a Burberry wallet. It's one of the big ones. But sometimes you want to carry something a little small, a little thinner, more comfortable. And this I'm going to be able to use a lot. I love when the Winston Box adds little accessories like this. It's my favorite. All right, off to the next one. I got this shirt right here. It's a long sleeve Oxford shirt. Now I love that it comes with little notes now that you can read a little bit about the shirt. Let's open it up and see how it looks like. That's how the shirt is right there. It is a little see-through-ish, I can see. It's something that I would definitely be wearing in the summer as well because it feels fresh. There's something about Pima cotton that just gives some freshness. I like it. I like this shirt. It fits really well. I'm gonna do a little lookbook at the end, see how everything fits. Lengthwise seems perfect. I'm gonna see the length on the sleeves because usually when it comes to the Winston Box, the sleeves fit super different. Like super different. Some are short, some are long. I like the little red detailing stitching for the buttonholes. All about detail. I love detail in clothes. And the Winston Box does really good with adding details in every piece that they make. Okay, so last but not least, what I fell in love with was the new bomber jacket that the Winston Box took out. So this is the bomber jacket. It's the red like bubble feel to it. Bomber jackets are so trendy right now. So for them taking out a bomber jacket is amazing. It's a very lightweight, but still keeps you warm. It's very European style. That's what I like. I wore this out one time and I was getting a lot of compliments. So, I mean, not only does it look good, but it feels really good. It's so comfortable and it's lightweight. So the bomber jacket is a must-have when it comes to the Winston Box. Phoenix has been getting really cold lately. I don't know what's going on, but last night was really, really cold. And then this morning, I mean, I don't know what's going on. So we are about to use this today. Let me tell you that. It's a really cute bomber jacket. I love it. I love this bomber jacket. And this bomber jacket is for $69.99. I do have a promo code with the Winston Box. If you guys want to use that, I'll put it down here. You guys do get $15 off your first box. Let me know if you do end up buying the Winston Box. I love getting feedback from people. I've had a couple comments down there of my last video where, you know, the Winston Box didn't really work, or some people really love the Winston Box. And so just let me know how it fits. Let me know what you think, if you're a big fan of it or if you don't end up liking it. I would like to know.
I owe you a drink, come over here. Teasing me good, get over here. You owe me some loving, get over here. I owe you some time, come over now. I need you all alone with me, oh. It's difficult for you to tell me no. Harder for you, so let me show you. We gotta take it slow, no, no. Wanna see the sun down, ain't nobody tied down, ain't nobody tied down. Energy you sent out, yeah, I feel it right here, yeah, I feel it right now. Wanna see the sun down, ain't nobody tied down, ain't nobody tied down. Energy you sent out, yeah, I feel it right here, yeah, I feel it right. Oh yeah, what a woman. Got these eyes locked on you. The way you move really got me hooked on you.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the pieces that I got for this month. And once again, thank you to the Winston Box for sending me this. Love every single piece. The bomber jacket is a must-have. And remember guys, if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is TonyDeLaRocha. I do review plus size fashion and lifestyle videos. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell button so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.